Coming up next, if you like the boom in fireworks, this video's for you. I lit off this unbelievably super loud cake. Okay, here we go. Superman shells. And this no-name canister shell. This is a no-name brand. I don't know what it is. Loud as hell. It's louder than And here are more videos to come. We're back with the homies at Flaming Magic. What's up, my brother? You guys blew up, man. That's almost 15,000.
It's you. Yeah.
Are people coming through?
Oh yeah.
What they said? I saw you on YouTube.
Yeah. $10 worth of $10. Like
a lot of people.
I ran into many subscribers and viewers of my channel. A person that found me on YouTube, his name is Diego.
Last night I saw him on YouTube. Recommend this stand. A lot of great deals right here.
Follow him.
What's your name, buddy?
Lee Anthony.
What's that?
Lee Anthony.
Lee Anthony. What's up, Lee Anthony?
I'm good.
out here getting deals, bro.
What's your name, brother?
Kevin.
Kevin.
Yeah.
Subscribe.
Subscribe.
Vaughn, say what's up. What's up? Say what's up to YouTube. He saw my video and he went to Flavor Magic.
You got some deals last night, that's why I'm here.
I got another homie that came and saw my video and now they're here.
Oh.
You're like the fifth, sixth person. If you're interested in those videos, please stay tuned for that. And they will be linked at the very end once they are all edited. Let's bring that noise and wake up the neighborhood. All right, we're gonna try the crazy thing. This was Jacob said. This is better than the Superman. Let's see what it does. I don't know what it is, but it's bigger than the Superman. Oh hell, here we go. So this is bigger than the Superman. See what happens. All right, this is copyrighted music. This is bigger than the Superman. Woo! Superman time. Let's go. Let's make a boom. It's starting to get dark. Let's hit a Superman on him.
Later that same evening.
This is a no-name brand. I don't know what it is. Loud as hell. It's louder than About to hit the Superman. Let's go. These little firecracker things, I don't know what they do. That's a firecracker.
Hey, bro.
Now that's a firecracker.
I was not expecting that.
I'm about to wrap up 2024 4th of July. I'd like to shout out to my kuya for hanging out. I don't know if you can see him back there, but yeah. He's helping me out. He's been like helping me clean out things. He's right over there. Everything calmed down. It's about 11:28. Let's put a brick on this too. Squeeze it, because this is the crazy one. So this one is called Thunder Road. 500 grams, 100 shots. Kind of scared to light the sucker. This is gonna be loud. Oh, I'd like to thank all my new subscribers, all the people that just discovered me, all the shout out to Flaming Magic, all the crew, Jacob, all the homies, Jefe. Yeah, you guys are the greatest, man. We're gonna let this off, and we're gonna set off 2024, end it off 2025. New subscribers, hit me up. If you see me around, even if I'm not doing fireworks videos, watch my other videos. I would appreciate that. Comment. I always like to chat with you guys. Okay, here we go. Happy 4th, everybody. Let's go. Wow, that was crazy.
What follows is a brief construction montage.
Man, that titanium cake was ridiculous. And a couple of those shells, loud, super loud. The video does not do any justice. You could feel the shockwaves of the booms. If you like these kind of videos, stay tuned. I got the shopping videos coming up with the homies at Flaming Magic.
What's up, my brother? You guys blew up, man. That's almost 15,000.
It's you. Yeah.
Are people coming through?
Oh yeah.
What they said? I saw you on YouTube.
Yeah.
$10
worth of $10. Like
a lot of people.
Oh, it's like that.
Subscribe. A lot of people been coming here.
Oh, for real?
For real.
Oh, this is the part 2.
What's up? Part 2.
40. It's getting bigger.
I like it.
What do you think, homie?
Oh yeah, we like it. Subscribe.
Oh, dang. Tough guys. Oh, hopefully I got fit in my truck. That's it.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you again. Like and subscribe, and share to your friends.
Probably the highlight of the whole 4th was meeting all my subscribers, which I never knew. Random viewers, and it was just so surreal.
Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Chi again. Hey, I got a person that found me on YouTube. His name is Diego.
Last night, saw him on YouTube. Recommend this stand. A lot of great deals right here.
Follow him.
What's your name, buddy?
Lee Anthony.
What's that?
Lee Anthony.
Lee Anthony. What's up, Lee Anthony?
I'm good.
Good? How old are you, buddy?
11.
11. So you love working here at the reservation fireworks?
Yeah, my stand's that one, the red one right there, Baker's Thunder Shack.
Oh, Baker's Thunder Shack.
Yep.
Oh, I kind of come visit you.
Yep.
Let's go visit you right now. Come on. I want to put him on video. I'll be back, Jacob.
Yep.
These ones you hold. Out here getting deals, bro.
What's your name, brother?
Kevin.
Kevin.
Yeah.
Subscribe.
Subscribe.
All right, bro. What's your name?
Juan.
Vaughn. Say what's up.
What's up?
Say what's up to YouTube. He saw my video and he went to Flaming Magic.
Yep.
All right, keep supporting, bro. Appreciate you, homie.
That's why I'm here.
I got another homie that came and saw my video And now they're here.
Oh,
You're like the fifth or sixth person.
yeah.
Stop me.
Yeah, I was like, that's the same guy who watched last night. That's crazy. You had a good deal, so.
Oh, that is.
I try to tell you.
I'm tripping out.
A lot of people come here for you just because of you.
Oh.
Just because of you.
We hope you enjoyed this brief construction montage.
And of course, I'm going to have a separate video of all the fireworks I lit off. If you haven't, please like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell to be updated on those videos. Hit the comments section and let me know. Did you visit the fellows at Flaming Magic? If you're a subscriber, they will hook you up.
Let me know when you guys are close to it. Ready?
I got the shortest fuse, so you guys like first.
I'm the easiest one. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! I'm lit. Let's go! And it's still going. Dang! Dang, it's still going.
I'm going to get back to working on the videos. So this is Chi, and I'm out.